the heavens opened and closed, as well I might have supposed, and I am left in this abandon, so far removed from all that I had planned on. My days have grown so lonely, for I have lost my one and only. My pride has been humbled, but I am his body and soul. I was a mere sensation. My house of cards had no foundation, although it has tumbled. I still am his body and soul. What lies before me, the future is stormy, a winter that's gray and old. Unless there's magic, the end will be tragic, and echo the tale has been told so often. My life revolved about him. What earthly good am I without him? My castles have crumbled, but I am his body and soul. My life revolved about him. Lord knows I'm just no good without him. My castles have crumbled, but I am his body and soul.